Why is Nokia still around? HMD Global had bought the name for Nokia and planned to launch Nokia branded smartphones. As you know, at one time, Nokia was the most king of the smartphones. They had 41% of the global phone market in 2007. The iPhone unveiling and the arrival of Android totally destroyed Nokia. Nokia continues to exist today in lots of models, but it is no more a smartphone. As you know, Nokia has launched two new models, and they are the Nokia 130 and the 150. In today's world, smartphones are more than just communication devices. They control all aspects of our life, like managing financial situation to storing precious memories. Despite this, some people still prefer older phones, so Nokia has introduced these two phones for the market. Nokia 150 is not a new phone. This model was first announced by Microsoft in 2016 and received a makeover in 2020. Despite not being modern and it's got new design features, it's got a 1450 milliampere battery that can last a few days and a 0.3 megapixel camera. There is no front camera and it has 3.5 headphone jack. It'll run on OS known as S30 Plus. It comes with a 2.4-inch screen with a resolution of 240 into 320 and it'll have a long battery life. The Nokia 130 is not much different. It doesn't have a camera on the back. Instead of the camera, you've got a large speaker grill on the back, which will be ideal for users who prefer listening to radio rather than Spotify or Apple Music.